Hello. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use the EnergyLab tool and seed firmware to optimize power for a handheld device. The use case we are focusing on here is low power DMA transactions for a handheld device. The design consists of an FPGA logic featuring an AXI CDMA controller and a Cortex-R5 real-time processor used to configure the DMA and initiate the transaction. The board we are using for this use case is an Avnet Ultra 96 V2 featuring a Xilinx Zynq UltraScale Plus MPSoC and an LPDDR4 memory. The objective was to optimize power consumption to extend the battery life for the handheld device. We start off with the EnergyLab tool. We have a description of our board loaded. On the right-hand side, we see the complete hierarchy of the design, including all the power-relevant hardware details, as well as the application-specific tasks and scenes. To adjust the power management behavior at runtime, we open the seed configuration dialog. We select a preset we've created for our use case containing PLL optimizations, dynamic idling of peripherals, as well as DDR controller optimizations. For this use case, we do not need custom scenes because our FPGA is assumed to always be active. We now go ahead and generate seed. Once the seed firmware is generated, we can include the ELF file in our boot image for our board. We are now ready for measurements. We can connect EnergyLab to the Ultra 96 board via an I2C host adapter. This brings up EnergyLab's measurement window. You can see the power graph on the left, as well as a tabular view on the right. The terminal window below is connected to the MPSoC UART, where we can see prints from the RPU. With the DMA transactions in progress, you can see that the SoC power remains below 500 milliwatts. When we compare this to the original design with the default firmware, we can see that the power consumption was originally over 1.1 watts. This represents a 124% increase in power consumption when using the default firmware, performing the same DMA operations. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about EnergyLab and seed, please consult our website at agios.com. Thank you for watching.